So to start off, I'm an illustrator, and I'm going to do a quick image trace. Basically, this takes your image and makes it into a vector file, so you can make it as big and as small as you want. Wham bam, thank you Adobe. Now we're going to take this drawing and plop it into Photoshop, and we're going to select and mask. Now, I don't completely understand the latest craze for floating head portraits, but I get you, artists. The less you have of the dog in the portrait, the less you need to draw. Now I'm going to do what little I can do to still classify it as a hand-drawn portrait. So I'm going to take my smudgy tool and smudge all the edges. Plus, if later I want proof that I drew this from hand, I can just show this part. Because it literally looks like I'm painting. Isn't that weird? Leave no evidence behind. Next, I'm going to brighten this up because the brighter it is, the less detail I have to do. So I have a question for you. Why spend an hour drawing an eye from scratch when you can just simply edit the ones that are already there? And every artist would agree that's the details that count. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some highlights and darken those pupils. Now I'm gonna steal some PNG I got this one from PNG Tree, but there's a lot of free websites out there. As long as you're not telling them you're selling it, you're A-okay. Like, who's gonna find me? You can also buy PNGs, I'll give them that. And this is a free stock background. Gonna add some paint splatters. Realistically, this took me about 15 minutes. I'm speeding it up so you don't have to see it. Like, I'm a very slow painter, so. If anything, people can do this a lot faster than me. I'm horrible. That's why some people can charge based off time, but everyone would owe me $1 million, so I can't. I'm gonna add some garnish, more free PNGs. One could draw these, but that takes too much time. And I'm only getting paid $85 per pop for these photo manipulations, so. Now I just do a few more finishing touches. Ta-da! And there you have it, folks. Hand-drawn, custom digital art. From the heart. You're welcome. Oh, the client wanted me to put the paw down? Well, I have literally no talent and I don't actually know how to draw, so it looks like, can you send me a different picture, please?